Hey guys, this is Kimberly, and I wanted to just take a few seconds here to do a quick little video and demonstrate how to maneuver through this 2015 eBay profit tracker that I have created and that you all have requested. And I mean, it's for the most part, it's pretty self-explanatory, but you know, just in case anybody has any questions, we're just gonna, do a quick little demonstration, add one or two orders. And of course, if you have questions afterwards, or if there's any type of defect with the spreadsheet, please let me know. Don't hesitate to reach out to me so I can fix any glitches that it may have. So we will get started. And this is what it looks like when you open it up. And down here at the bottom, we have 12 different tabs. And I'm sorry, we have 13 actually. And of course, the first 12 represent the months of the year. There's a tab for each month, and I just set it up this way so that you can keep track of your monthly sales accordingly and separately. And you know, each tab is the same. It should look identical to all the other ones. It's just a different month, so that you can again separate your sales on a monthly basis. And then this last tab down here is the graph tab, and that's exactly what it is. It is it's gonna be a screen of a graph that will represent each month of the year. And what this is it just basically allows you to see, once you start putting in orders, you will see an actual bar here for each month that will show where your monthly revenue sales are. And that's just something that I did so that you have the convenience of seeing whether your sales are increasing or decreasing throughout the year. It's just, you know, more of a little luxury tab, I guess, that I added at the end. So we'll go ahead and get started. Click back here on the January tab, and of course you're going to want to start from the very top, very first line, and input the date. Today is January 6th, so we're going to do 1/6, and of course that's going to generate the 6th of January. Here in the product tab, of course we're going to put the product. I'm just going to pretend we sold a large doghouse, and here for the next tab is the supplier / order number. Of course, for everybody at Pro, the supplier is going to always be Amazon here. For those at Elite and other levels, it will be different suppliers. And I just thought it would be a convenient tab again to have if you're like me and you're very tedious about your work and you kind of like to have everything in detail, see it all there up front. You can definitely utilize this tab and put in your supplier and order number for the order. If you decide you don't want to do that, it's definitely not required that you fill in this tab. If you don't, it will not affect any of your numbers over here. So again, this is totally optional. If you want to use it, feel free to. If not, then just tab over and keep going. And so the next tab is the PayPal payment tab, and of course that's going to be the amount that we received from PayPal for the order. Let's just say that we sold this for $95. And if it's a flat dollar amount, you can just put the numbers 95. You don't have to add the 00 at the end. And then, of course, if there is change, you would want to add the change at the end so that everything is calculated accordingly. And for the supplier cost tab, that is going to be how much it cost us from the supplier for the order. So let's just say we got it off of Amazon for 40 bucks. So that's all we would need to do, guys. And then you can see here that it has calculated for us a profit of $55 based on that order. And because this is the first order that we have for the month of January, it is a total profit of $55 as well. And we'll do one more just so that you can have an idea. Let's say tomorrow we sell I don't know, a toy doll. And we got this on Amazon as well. And of course it's going to be a different order number. We'll just say we made let's say $43.76 for the toy doll. And then on Amazon we got it for $19.99. And that's it. And of course here it has calculated for us a profit of $23.77, which makes for a total profit for the month of January for $78.77. And so that's it, guys. Of course, the more you add, these numbers are going to change, they're going to grow, but again, it's pretty much self-explanatory. We can take a look at the graph now, and we should be able to see here. Here we go. You can actually see it has generated a bar for us for the month of January based on our sales. And if you put your cursor on the bar, you'll actually see the value of $78.77 there, and close to 80 bucks. So I just think that's a little pretty cool feature to have. I'll do one for the month of February as well, just so you can see that graph comparison. Let's say on February 2nd we sell a I don't know, I'm sorry guys, a leather sofa from Amazon, and let's say we sell that for $275.36, and we got it on Amazon for total cost of $188.45. Okay, and so that has calculated a profit of $86.91 for us. And of course, since that's the only order, the total profit for the month of February is $86.91. And then if we go back to the graph, you'll see here that it has generated a second bar for us, and that would be for the value of $86.91 as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how this profit tracker works in a whole. Very simple, very self-explanatory. And like I say, if there's any glitches, if you find anything wrong with it, please let me know so I can fix it and send out a new one for everyone. But I hope that this notice my little mess up there. I hope this helps you all in keeping up with your orders, and I hope that you find it beneficial. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Take care.